Hello everybody, welcome to our building tutorial, and you may be wondering, how do we build this just for a remote island where you may think you're lost? This is a little starter for you. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is build a hole that looks like this. Now, I have all the things that you're going to need to start off with. So, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to place down our ladder, obviously. Now, we're going to put our bed right here and our crafting table right here. Now, the thing you're going to want to do is you're going to have a lot of furnaces, since you're probably going to be making some glass, considering it's an island. Now, we're going to put an armor stand there, and we'll get some other things later. As what we are going to do is we are going to we're going to build the roof. Now, the way we're going to do this is we're going to start putting it like this. We're going to put some sandstone blocks down right here. You might want to put this right here just so you have a stable kind of thing. Stable kind of way to where you don't fall off. But anyways, we're going to cover this in sandstone. And what you're going to do is you're not going to put one right there so that you can go down. So now that you have basically done this, you just need to do one last thing, and we are going to put everything back. We're going to go into the armor section of the creative inventory, and we're going to get that right there. And we're going to head down, and we're just going to equip this. Yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial on how to build, let me know what else I should do. I'm going to do a couple more of these. So yeah, let me know if you like this and if I should do more, even though I'm probably still going to do more of these. But yeah, bye guys, and thank you.